Hi friends, my name is Mohammad Irfan and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the division of an algebraic expression. We have an algebraic expression x4 plus x minus 2 is divided by x minus 1. We choose a terms along with if we multiply with x minus 1, the result is x4. This term is x cube. So the result is x cube x power 4 minus x cube. In division, we subtract the below terms from above expression. So for subtraction, the sign change. These same terms cancel each other. The remainder is x cube plus x. Now we get result x cube. For result, we multiply with x square. X cube minus x square with from change with change signs they cancel each other. Result is x cube plus x. Now we multiply with x. The result is x square minus x. Sign change. The result is 2x minus 2. Now we multiply with 2. The result is 2x minus 2 minus 0. So the answer is x cube plus x square plus x plus 2.